Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome back to Sketchup for 3D design. Where we left off last, we had finished the back fence on the 60-foot wide by 150-foot deep lot. I've moved Ty up here just so he's on this side now. So that's where we'll be working. So did a lot of copying and pasting, and then what I did was, and I'm going to let you kind of figure this out. Obviously, I've already done it, so I want to give you some time to get this done, but I also give you some tips here. So what I did is I highlighted this whole section as a group, and then I just did a Control-C, Control-V, copy and paste. I did have to rotate it with the pretty side facing in. I did notice that I can see the 2x4 lines when I zoom out. So look at, and that's not great. So if you look at my fencing here, it looks really nice. But I think that I put my 2x4, look at my posts, my pickets. My pickets are actually pushed into the 2x4s, which is not great. So when I zoom out, I start to see the 2x4s. So I will deal with that later. That's a me thing, not a you thing. I'm not happy with that. So it almost gives you the look of the ugly side of the fence after all that work. So yet again, another thing I could have done just a little better. Didn't even think about it. Didn't even realize. I didn't catch it. I thought they were in the right place. So what I did is I rotated it and connected it here in the corner. You will notice a little bit of another little bit of imperfection right here. That's not how you would do it. You would cover that up. And there's a couple ways to do this when it happens. I'll show you what I did. It's not terrific. It's not great. So I'm gonna explode this picket, and I'm gonna pull it over a little bit. And yeah, it looks dumb, but it does cover that hole up. So there's a few things you can do in 3D that you can't do in real life, or shouldn't. Well, you can't do in real life. So now I'm going to pull this one over. So you have to make the decision. Does this look better than it did before when it was a gap? And it doesn't matter. You know, I am going to suck it up just a little bit and just let myself be, not myself, let my SketchUp design be imperfect. So, because I am definitely imperfect. So I also discovered that, so what I did is I rotated it, put it in place, just moved it down, moved it over, and then I did it again. And then I rotated it, connected that to this one. And in a few places, so here's a place where I connected them, and I did the same thing here. There was a big gap here, and that shouldn't happen in real life, but I just pulled these pickets out. It's fine. It's gonna have to do. So there will be some imperfection, and I'm cool with that. I brought it all the way to the edge. You can see I even have 2 pickets that are overlapping. I don't love that. So what I'm going to do, I just don't think that's great. So there's some things that I can deal with and some things I can't. Just so you know, I will be grading yours strictly. I need to make sure this is complete. I want to make sure the pretty side is facing in, and you have fencing. You'll have brackets. That's what I'll be looking for. You have brackets and 2x4s and posts on the back side. On the front side, you've got the pickets, the dog-eared pickets. That's what I'm looking for. If you've got some imperfections here and there too, I'm fine with that. I don't expect you to be, I mean, when I can't nail it, I can't expect you to nail it. So I think what I'm going to do is move this over, leave that gap. Now, I could probably just let that hang over the side it's kind of weird because that's where the sidewalk's going to be. So I don't think that's fair for me to do that. So let me rotate, and I'm just going to push this in. It's basically, in real life, I would probably cut this. I would custom cut this picket to. I need to explode it. In real life, I would cut this to fit and be flush with the post. In 3D, I'm just going to push it until it's. That's the whole. Oh, the whole thing is. Where's the post? Oh, there's not much there. Like. That's different. So there wasn't much. It's just, boy, that's a slim little piece. So honestly, in this case, I don't expect you to do this. Okay, all this little extra stuff. So relax a little. I'm not going to be this critical. I'm just looking. Nope, that's not the right place. I need to go down there. Has to be blue. That might be it. So can I get rid of? Let me see if I can just highlight all that. Nope, won't let me. So I am just really, when I look at your fence, I'm looking for structure, that you did it correctly. I need to paint that. And I probably need to delete, what is that line? No, I don't want to take the chance at that. So paint bucket. Post color was, let's see, search was wood and dark. And, that's a picket, I think. It's fine. Okay, so that's a weird little piece of picket. But it's okay. Fill in the gap. We're good. Over here, let's just see how this one looks. I think this one's good. I don't think I have anything overlapping. It's just that those 2x4s show through, and I will fix that later. That's my own thing. I'm a little concerned that we're going to get laggy with the house and the fence. I don't know, so let me know. If you're already lagging, then we have a problem. But if not, we're going to keep going forward. All right, we need a 4-foot wide sidewalk. So we're going to grab a rectangle tool, and I'm going to click. I need it on the sidewalk, on the ground. I'm just going to go ahead and go over to the other side and just pull it out. Now, I'm not going to type in any measurements because I think in this case, I could have typed in 60 feet, 4 feet. In this case, and you can do that too. I am going to add a dimension line here and here. And I'm going to see if I can move this into 4 feet exactly. And if not, I'll do it the other way. Yeah, just a little bit of a bump right there. I had it. So this is why we do precision. Come on, move your mouse. 4 1/8. No. Okay, I tried. I tried. Nope. So, all right. So don't do it that way. I thought it'd be easier. But that's the whole point of precision measurement. So we're going to rectangle. We're going to click, pull out, let go, type in 60 feet, 4 feet, enter, and exactly what I thought it might do. So let's do it the other way. If that ever happens, just do it. Oh, it's going to... Excuse me. I need that to go... I need that to go... Not there. I need it up here. Not there. Having a hard time controlling where it's going. So I need to type in the 4 feet first, 4 feet, 60 feet, enter. And unfortunately, because of where that was, I'm going to try to move that whole thing. Oh, it's not a group. Nope. Failure. I'm failing at this. I need this to go right. Not there. See the struggle I'm having? I need it to go down. There we go. So I'll do it on this side. So that's fine. That's something I need to get better at there. So I think I don't remember what I did. 4 feet, comma, 60 feet, enter. Yep, that's what I did. Okay, perfect. Okay, and then let's pull that up. It's going to go up 8 inches. So you could actually probably just snap it right into place right here. So when you do that, it lines up with the thing next to it, which in this case is the grass. However, you remember what I said in a previous conversation? I should have done the crack. I should have done the cracks. No, I should have painted it first. I'm trying to remember. Let's do that again. That should be up. What are you doing down? Why is that down below? That's weird. Okay, we don't need that. We need that to be level there. So snap it corner to corner, corner to corner. It's a little bit off, I think. Yep, I saw that. I could tell. I'm going to snap. Is it a move or a push? It's a push. Right there. Okay. So I think it is wisest to paint it now. That's what it was. So we're going to go to asphalt and concrete, and I'm going to do a light kind of gray color. Make sure that looks okay for concrete, which I think it does. Looks decent. Okay, so paint all sides. Front, sides, and top. Don't worry about the bottom. And then we need to put in some cracks. It keeps it from, as it shifts, it keeps it from cracking the sidewalk. So what we're going to do is we're going to click and drag and go over 5 feet. 5 feet, enter, and it should give us a dot where that ended. You see why I don't like doing it on the line. I'm going to do that again. I recommend you do it right down the middle like this. 5 feet, enter. You will always see it. And then from here, green line like that. Okay. And then you can delete that guideline. But yes, we're going to have to do it again. So draw like that. 5 feet, enter. Up green, down green. Delete the line. So continue doing that all the way across. I'm not going to bore you with me doing it. I'm going to do that all the way across. Next step is a so this is a 20 feet wide, so 20 feet, comma, 60 feet, enter. It did it the other way. So that's fine. When that happens, do it the other way. Trying to get my blue, you see what I'm trying to do? Trying to get my blue square to be not there. And that's the thing I was talking about earlier. I don't know. I tried to, there's something I can click, or there we go. I got lucky, I think. Oh no, I should have clicked. Click. No, can't turn solid. I have to start. I don't know if it's my angle or where I'm trying to go this way. Okay, okay. Maybe you can move your mouse and force it to go. No, because anyway, okay. Besides the point. I'm going to type in, because now I forgot which one was first. I think I did 20 feet first. So let's do 60 feet, comma, 20 feet, enter. Now watch it do it the same thing. No, I think we're good. So here's a nice wide street for a neighborhood. We're going to go up 4 inches. Yeah, let's. It's going to be half the way to the. Let me check. No, I think that's too much. Let's go up 2 inches. Yeah, I think that's what I did before anyway. So that just gives it a little bit of thickness. And then what we need to do to make this look like a street is go to some kind of asphalt color. And any of these are fine, or a darker gray. I don't like the new asphalt, the black. That looks a little like they just did it. It looks a little too much. Even this does too. It's not bad. I just don't want it to be the same as the sidewalk. So you choose the color. It doesn't matter. I'm going to go with this. I think this looks good. And then make sure you paint the sides as well. So you've got asphalt, paved street. There we go. We got all the sides. And that's where we'll end it. So we've got the fence on the 3 sides. And the fence is a little bit close to the sidewalk. In some neighborhoods, they don't allow that. I know mine doesn't. My fence has to be back a certain distance. Probably these first 2 sections wouldn't be allowed to be there. And it does look a little funny to me, but for this assignment, I'm, all the way to the sidewalk is fine. It might bug me, and we'll see how long I can keep it that way. So do your lines all the way across the sidewalk, put in your street. And for this session, that's what we wanted to accomplish, which is probably plenty. And we'll keep adding on. So I appreciate you hanging in there and learning more about SketchUp for 3D design. I'll catch you next time. But for now, Mr. Johns is out.